How to purchase Copilot for Microsoft 365, assign licenses, and start using them in Office applications like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, as well as Microsoft Teams. This video explains the steps involved in the process. From Microsoft 365 Admin Center, select Purchase Services. Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365 will be displayed under the recommended category. If you don't see it here, click on Other Services and then select Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365. Click on Details, select the number of licenses you need, the length of the subscription, and the billing frequency, whether you need it for 1 year or for 3 years. It has to be prepaid. What you see here is in Canadian dollars. Click on Buy. So once the order has been placed, click on Manage Subscription. As you can see here, I have one license which could be assigned. Click Assign Licenses and select the user to whom it is to be assigned. And as you can see here, I have my Copilot for Microsoft 365 assigned to a development user. Let us update our existing license for Office applications. Microsoft Word is shown here as an example. I've already updated the license, but we'll walk through the steps. Click File, Account, and Update License. Provide the credentials to sign in, and once the update is successful, restart Microsoft Word. As I've already done this, we'll skip this step and close this dialog box. Similarly, follow the same process for PowerPoint and Excel. Back in Word, you can see Copilot is available in the toolbar. Now here is a quick example. Give me a draft plan for Teams rollout. It is pretty cool. It takes a few minutes, but then it gives you a draft plan of what needs to be done for rolling out Teams in your organization. I'll stop the process. So in the case of Microsoft Teams, Copilot is available when I open the desktop app and did not update license or anything like that. You may need to sign out and sign back in to see the Copilot option in Microsoft Teams. Hope you found the content useful. Thanks for watching.